My name is Nurse Max, and I'm here to share with you 5 easy steps or items that will help you normalize your blood pressure. Depending on the time of the day or what you're doing, your blood pressure can go from high to low. But when it stays over 140 to 150 over a long period of time, it is known as hypertension. Today, we're going to talk about 5 items or 5 easy steps that are easy to find at home that can reduce your blood pressure and result in a better heart health. The first one that we're going to talk about is chia seeds that are soaked in water. Behind here, I have chia seeds, and chia seeds is known to have high levels of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to be help in dilating our blood vessels and therefore reducing our blood pressure. Studies also shows us that chia seeds has a high levels of chlorogenic acid, which helps in reducing the blood pressure, and it has a high fiber content, which may also be beneficial in your heart health. The simple directions that you use to put together chia seed: pour 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia in water, soak it over 30 minutes, and then remove the seeds and then drink it. So here we go. We have chia seeds, 1 to 2 tablespoons in regular water. Let it sit for a minute, 30 minutes, and then soak it, and then take the seeds out and drink it. You should do this daily or in the morning, and you can also put some lemon juice in it. Lemon juice is very good in help reducing your fatty belly, and this is very good for your health, also for your digestion. What the chia seeds does is that the chlorogenic acid helps soften your blood vessels and make it flexible for easy blood flow. The second item on our list is pomegranate fruit. And if you're like me, you get a pomegranate fruit. So what pomegranate does is that it has a lot of antioxidants and phytochemicals that is very good in our heart health. It improves our blood circulation and directly attacks plaques in the arteries. The higher levels of nitrates and potassiums in pomegranate help reduces your blood pressure by pushing sodium out of the cells and help reduce your blood pressure. The phytochemicals in pomegranate and the antioxidants are great for the body in reducing your blood pressure. But each serving of pomegranate juice have 550 milligrams of potassium in it, and this pushes the sodium out of your cell and help reduce your blood pressure. So like any other juice, this can be done daily. You take 1 to 2 glasses of pomegranate juice daily, and this will greatly help improve your blood pressure. So as I'm doing, I'm taking my 1 to 2 glass of pomegranate juice every day, and it's helping with my blood pressure tremendously. The third item on our list is apple cider vinegar infused in water. Apple cider vinegar has the ability to reduce the unnecessary sodium and toxins out of our body. Here I have my organic apple cider vinegar, and research shows that it contains higher levels of acetic acid, which helps in reducing our blood pressure. The best way in drinking your apple cider vinegar is to take 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and pour it in water, and a glass of water, and then you drink, especially on an empty stomach. The good news is that lifestyle changes such as quitting smoking, drinking, and exercising can greatly help improve your heart issues. The fourth item on our list is to drink lemon, honey, and warm water every morning on an empty stomach. Oriental medicine has shown that drinking lemon, honey, this is your African honey, the best, and warm water every morning on an empty stomach will help reduce your blood pressure and also aid in digestion. Fifth and the final step or item is eating 1 banana every morning. Studies shows that potassium and sodium are the 2 most important minerals that helps in carrying electrical charges in the body, and they play an important role in maintaining the balance of fluids and electrolytes in the body. Potassium and sodium must work hand in hand in regulating the heart's electrical activities. A healthy balance of sodium and potassium is very important for our overall health, and an imbalance can lead to several health problems. Higher levels of food containing sodium can result in higher blood pressure, and potassium competes with sodium in the cell and help reduce your blood pressure. The recommended daily value of potassium that an average sized person needs is 3,500 to 4,700 milligrams every day. And taking one banana every day, you need 10 bananas to be able to get this value. But you can supplement your potassium with food, or you can take vitamin supplements to help reduce your blood pressure if necessary. The final and the most important item on all this list is having a blood pressure cuff. So knowledge is always key, and knowing your blood pressure, it's a good way to save you from having a heart attack or stroke in future. All right, guys, check out more educational and informational videos like this in helping you maximize your wellness. And in our next video, we're going to talk about vitamins that can help you reduce your blood pressure. Vitamins like niacin, D3, and all those that can help you reduce your blood pressure. And please put us on post notification so that whenever we drop awesome videos like this, you can have it and enjoy it. Thanks.